In this video, let's view the goods and service taxes and its benefits. Goods and Service Tax (GST). The Goods and Service Tax is a value-added tax levied on most goods and services sold for domestic consumption. The GST is paid by consumers, but it is remitted to the government by the business selling the goods and services. In effect, GST provides revenue for the government. So let us see some of the benefits of GST. Elimination of multiple taxes. The biggest benefit of GST is an elimination of multiple indirect taxes. All taxes that currently exist will not be in a picture. This means current taxes like excise, optics, sales tax, service taxes, turnover taxes, etc. will not be applicable, and all that will fall under common tax called as GST. Saving more money. For a common man, GST applicability means the elimination of double charging in a system. This will reduce the price of the goods and services and help common man for saving more money. It is expected that price of FMCG products, small cars, cinema tickets, electric wires, etc. is expected to be reduced. Ease of business. GST will bring one country, one tax concept. This will prevent unhealthy competition among states. It will be beneficial to do interstate business. Easy tax filing and documentation. For a businessman, GST will be a woo. No multiple taxes means compliance and documentation will be easy. Return filing, tax payment, and refund process will be easy and hassle-free. Cascading effect reduction. GST will be applicable at all stages from manufacturing to consumption. GST will provide tax credit benefit at every stage in chain. Today, at every stage, margin is added and tax is paid on whole amount. In GST, you will have tax credit benefit and tax will be paid on margin amount only. It will reduce cascading effect on tax, thereby reducing cost of product. More employment. As GST will reduce cost of product, it is expected that demand of a product will increase, and to meet the demand, supply has to go up. The requirement of more supply will be addressed by only increasing employment. Increase in GDP. As demand will grow, naturally, production will grow and hence it will increase gross domestic product. It is estimated that GDP will grow by 1 to 2% due to GST. Reduction in tax evasion. GST is a single tax which will include various taxes, making the system efficient with very little chance of corruption and tax evasion. More competitive product. As GST will address cascading effect of tax, interstate tax, high logistic cost, it will make manufacturing more competitive. This will bring advantage to businessman and consumer. Increase in revenue. GST will replace all 17 indirect taxes with single tax. Increase in a product demand will ultimately increase tax revenue for state and central government. Goods and service tax is a boom for the Indian economy and the common man. It is a welcome step taken by the government.